Hello carpet cleaners, John Williams here from AGB, and today I want to talk about why your carpet cleaning ads on Facebook are not working. Now, for those of you that don't know me, my name's John Williams. Like I said, I am the CEO of a company called AGB, or Ads Grow Business, and we specialize in digital marketing for the carpet cleaning industry. We have worked with hundreds and hundreds of carpet cleaners across the USA and worldwide, and we continue to do so. Over the last 12 months alone, we've spent over $2 million on paid advertising for carpet cleaners. So we really know exactly what works, what doesn't. We've tested literally everything. And I personally believe there isn't another company on this planet that has spent as much as we have, that has done as much testing as we have, that has run as many carpet cleaning paid advertising campaigns as we have in the world. So we really know what we're talking about. And the purpose of these videos is not for me to sell you anything. I simply want to give back to the carpet cleaning community as much free value as I humanly can. Nothing makes me happier than seeing you guys be successful. So anything that I can do to help you guys take things to the next level, that's what I'm here to do. So let's dive in. Why are your Facebook ads not working? Why are you not driving results, inquiries, bookings, so on and so forth? What happens is this, right? Like, people see this ad and they're like, wow, that's a great combo, that's a great deal. The pricing's competitive. You're not the most expensive, you're not the cheapest, but you're within the range of your competitors on Facebook that are advertising on Facebook. Great. People are now clicking on the ad. People are booking. People are coming. You're getting jobs out of it. This is, like I say, about just getting that foot in the door. And then what you do is, with that customer, you set up like a text blast to text them every 2 or 3 months on autopilot. And then, if you've done a good job and they had a great time with you, the chances are they're going to book again. But the next time they book again with you, you're going to be charging them not the Facebook pricing, but your standard rates, right? So that's it. This is like your foot in the door. You'll do it the first job, maybe that slightly lower rate. And again, it's just about managing expectations. Look, this is a Facebook offer. It ends soon. So this is how it is. You can get it at this price for this one time only. And then, you get your foot in the door. And then, like I say, you can remarket to those people. And sure, some of those people, won't book with you ever again, but there will be some people that you'll pull in through the Facebook advertising that do need regular carpet cleaning, that you can text, that you can email at regular intervals. And the value of that customer over the next 12 months, 2 years, with them getting regular carpet cleaning, it was worth it because you're going to make a ton of money long term. It was worth it going in at that slightly lower price, right, to get your foot in the door. So that's how I would think about Facebook over Google, right? Basically, you pull that Facebook lever to get your foot in the door and bring in a bunch of customers that you can then turn a percentage of into long-term customers that you can charge your normal rates to. Turn them into raving fans, give them an amazing service, and then they'll be customers for life. And that investment into your Facebook ads, that lowering of the price slightly, is going to pay off for you, dividends long-term. The other thing that you can do as well is make sure that you and your text, and I'm going to do another video on this, are on point in terms of upsells. Now, upselling your services shouldn't be pushy, it shouldn't be aggressive, but if you've got a really good tech, or if you're good yourself at upselling, then every job that you do through the Facebook ads, you should be able to, hopefully on a percentage of those, raise the ticket price by upselling when you're on the property. Like I say, this isn't about being aggressive with the upsell. It's not about bait and switch. It's not about being pushy. It's a matter of, imagine you've got 3 rooms, you're doing a 3-room and an odor treatment special. In one room, you get the odor treatment. As simple as this. Hey Linda, so you're going to get this free room of odor treatment. Do you want me to do it in all the rooms for just an additional X dollars while I've got all the equipment here and we get all the carpets smelling nice? It's just going to be an extra $50 or whatever that costs. Yeah, you know what? Actually, the family are coming over. You may as well. How much extra? 50? Yeah, that's fine. You've just raised the ticket price by $50 just by having that simple human conversation. So that's really the end of this video. If your ads are not working, why they're not working, it's probably the price and how to fix that. And there right mindset to have with Facebook ads. It's different to Google. Don't think you can necessarily charge the same as what people are charging on Google. Do your research, figure out what all of your competitors are charging on Facebook, and put your pricing somewhere in the middle of that. That's going to help your ads work. It's going to help you convert people into jobs. And then once you're on the property, without being pushy, upsell, raise those ticket prices, and just remember that once you've got this person into your system, you can remarket them for the rest of your life. There's a good chance that a percentage of these that are going to come back if you've done a good job and use you again and again and again. They might refer friends to you. So, just think about it like that. Okay, you might be doing that first job a little bit cheaper than you would charge on Google, but the long-term benefits, the new business these customers might refer to you, the fact that they might use you time and time and time again, is the long-term amount of money you make will be huge. So just think about it like that. And I believe truly that you will see better results with your ads and you'll have a great time. That's the end of this video. If you'd like to find out more about working with us, about how we can work directly with you to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, click the link down below. You can check out our website, check out our testimonials, and schedule a time to talk to us. No obligations, no pressure. We just love meeting you guys, love sharing value, and we'll show you what we can do. And if you want to take it further, that's absolutely fine. We do have limited spots. It's an exclusive service, so do schedule a time now if you would like to find out a little bit more about that. Peace. See you soon. See you on the other side.